Unlike other AirPod models, the AirPods Pro have silicone tips that are supposed to bend to the shape of your ears. But everyone has slightly different ears, and the default tips won't always fit. That's why every new pair of AirPods Pro come with 3 sets of silicone ear tips, each one a different size. You can remove your AirPods current tips by pinching firmly and pulling them off the earbuds. It takes some force, but don't worry, they'll pop off without issue. If you're concerned about ripping the silicone, invert the tip before you begin. Choose a new pair of ear tips from the box, small, medium, or large. The tips that come attached to your AirPods Pro earbuds when you first open the box are the medium size. If you find that they frequently fall out of your ears, try going down a size. If they hurt or irritate your ears, try going up in size. Each ear tip has a letter marking on the inside to identify its size. To attach the new pair of tips, line up the oval on the edge of the tips with the oval on the AirPod speaker, and gently press the tip in until it clicks into place. If you're not sure which size ear tip to use, take the ear tip fit test. With your AirPods on and connected to your phone, open the Settings app. Then click Bluetooth. Then click the eye next to your AirPods. Then click Ear Tip Fit Test. You'll be led through a series of short exercises that test how well the AirPods fit your ears. If it determines that the seal is tight and allows for adequate noise cancellation, then the image of the AirPod on your screen will say Good Seal in green underneath it. If not, it will turn yellow instead and read Adjust or try a different ear tip. Try a different size tip and rerun the test.